Did you know that apple cider vinegar has several benefits for women, including the prevention of vaginal itch? Learn about the benefits of other apple cider vinegar and the most important recipes for good health. Apple cider vinegar is a home remedy for many ailments that women suffer from because it contains antioxidant properties, microbes, and tumors. There are several benefits to apple cider vinegar that benefit your body, including 1. Prevents vaginal itching. Most women experience vaginal itching from time to time, due to several factors including infection, sexually transmitted diseases, menopause, and chemical irritants. Because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties, apple cider vinegar helps fight the itchy infection. It also helps to restore the normal pH balance in the vagina, and promotes the growth of good bacteria in the vagina. You can get the benefits of apple cider vinegar in the treatment of vaginal itch. With these uses, add 2 tablespoons of unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a cup of warm water. Use this solution to wash the vagina twice daily for a few days. Fill the bathtub with warm water, add 2 cups of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar to it, then sit in the shower with your knees bent toward your body for 15 minutes. Enjoy this soothing bath once a day. Add 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey to a cup of warm water. Sip it twice daily. 2. It treats PCOS. Apple cider vinegar allows to manipulate blood sugar and prevents the body from generating an excessive amount of insulin, which contributes to low testosterone, which is necessary to manipulate signs of PCOS. Research have shown the effectiveness of vinegar in restoring ovulation characteristic, by means of enhancing insulin sensitivity in PCOS sufferers. You may get the gain of apple cider vinegar in treating PCOS. Comply with those steps. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. Drink it daily in the morning on an empty stomach. Continue to take it for several weeks. You can gradually increase the dose of apple cider vinegar, by up to 2 tablespoons per cup 2 or 3 times daily. 3. Good for treating skin impurities. Apple cider vinegar contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which contribute to removing dead skin cells that clog pores, which helps reduce acne. It also helps to restore your skin to a normal pH, which is necessary to prevent the appearance of impurities in the skin. It additionally enables you to repair your pores and skin to a normal pH, that's necessary to save you the appearance of impurities inside the skin. To get the benefit of apple cider vinegar in treating the skin, mix equal parts of filtered apple cider vinegar and water, then add a little honey, apply it to the affected skin, and leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing it out. Do this once a day. 4. Relieve the symptoms of menopause. Menopause can be a difficult stage for most women, as it leads to symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, urinary tract infections, and frequent headaches that you can deal with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate the detoxification mechanism, which in turn reduces the occurrence of hot flashes, night sweats, and urinary tract infections. To get the benefit of apple cider vinegar to relieve menopausal symptoms, follow these steps. Add 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a glass of lukewarm water. Add a little honey and mix well. Drink it twice a day. 5. Reduces harmful cholesterol. The risk of developing women after menopause increases in the disease of bad cholesterol in the blood, as a result of age, and hormonal changes associated with menopause, which increases the chance of developing heart diseases. Apple cider vinegar helps lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, because of its acetic acid content. To get apple cider vinegar treatment to reduce cholesterol, mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water, drink the mixture 2 or 3 times a day for at least a month. You can gradually increase the amount of apple cider vinegar to 2 tablespoons. I always wish you good health and long life. Wait for us with a new recipe every day. Thank you and goodbye.